What's up, everybody? And guys, it's been forever since I haven't filmed for you guys. It's been like 11 days. 11 days since I haven't filmed. Last weekend I've been busy as hell. Every single night of this week I've been busy as hell. Every single day at school I've been busy as hell. I've been busy as hell the whole entire damn week because of the school test. Every day I come home from school and I got homework and tests to do with no break. I didn't even got time to do a video for you guys. Even on Valentine's Day I was busy, but that wasn't because of the test and the homework. I've been celebrating Valentine's Day and the 20th anniversary when YouTube released it. But there was no videos in the app yet till April 23, 2005. And yeah, this is my life as usual. But right now, I got nothing to do, so I can't upload a video to you guys. So, the video we're gonna do today is a reaction video. But this time we're gonna react to the extended Discord Incoming Call song. It sounds like a high quality, rest in peace. And the video was uploaded by... Wait, what? He doesn't even have a name. It's empty. But his user says NPC Master 3304. I don't know so much about Discord. I don't even have a Discord account, but I think that's a free communication app used by tens of millions of people to talk and hang out with their favorite creators and communities and friends. All I know from Discord, he has a sound effect. It sounds like or something like that. But the difference, the video has 3 minutes and 80 seconds. Well, we're gonna hear the same sound effect over and over again during 3 minutes. I have no idea, so I'm gonna react to it and let's see how this goes. Now I got my headphones. Here we go. See, that's what I'm talking about. The same sound effect over and over again. What? What the? What is going on? It sounds like Kirby Superstar. It's like this guy combined some songs with the Discord sound effect. This is getting interesting. Wow. Wow. So good than the other one. It sounds like another song from Kirby Superstar. Beautiful. Oh, Never Gonna Give You Up. I remember that song. Let's hit 10,000 of likes for that shit. I don't remember that song. It sounds like Europe the final countdown. I don't know, but this is so good. And this is literally inspiring me. The Funky Town! Oh my god, I got so many memories of that song. He deserves to have 10,000 of likes on this video. And now Romeo and Juliet, A Time for Us. Wow. 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 Let's hit 10,000 likes on his video right now. This is the best video that I ever react. Oh my god. This is so amazing. It's like the Discord sound effect was singing from tunes over and over. Instead of hearing the same sound effect over and over. It's like NPC combined some songs with the Discord sound effect. Like, how the hell did he do all this shit? Every single song was amazing. My favorite was Kirby Superstar. But Never Gonna Give You Up and Funky Town was another one of my favorites. Oh my god. This video made me so proud. I had a rough week and this video literally inspires me and made me more happy than I feel sometimes. And that video made me so happy. Right now I'm gonna eat dinner. So if you guys like this video, want more videos like this, just comment down below. Let's see if I get a video from you guys. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. The links will be in the description below. Oh, by the way, guys, today is George's birthday. I'm not talking about George from Peppa Pig. I'm talking about my friend George. Today is his birthday. So, George, if you're watching this video, I hope you like it. Happy birthday to you. And the most important thing of y'all, don't forget to like and subscribe to Always Zeros.